Hey, Sean Harry here, working on Walt's tool chest, and I want to show you something. I pulled this drawer out, this till out, and I'm going to show you some things about it. There's some forensic work we can do to figure out how it was made and who made it and that kind of thing. So let me turn the camera around and we'll take a look at this. Okay, so I pulled the till out, and I have just put a little coat of wax on it. Try to both clean it up as well as bring some of the wood back to life. And let me show you how this is made. This is some kind of a hardwood on the front here. But everything else about this tells me that, you know, this was made to be a piece of functional furniture, and I don't even know if the owner intended for it to last necessarily or not. But let's take a look inside and see what's going on here. So we look at the, you know, there's a little till here, and then a place for long tools, and then there are some telltale signs that some of this wood may have come from another project, or maybe the person who made it had designed something different, and when they got to this, they decided that they wanted it to be like this. For instance, there are some nail holes here that don't actually go through to the other side. There is a scribe line here, or a pencil line, but it seems like either this piece of wood came from something else, maybe a shipping crate or something like that. It's a very, very soft, flimsy piece of wood, as are the ends. And then look, this is dovetail construction, and this, look at this, very rough, because this was a tool box. This was not going to be on display anywhere. But very, very rough dovetails. You know, someone might look at these today and say, "Oh gosh, those are terrible dovetails." But I mean, they've lasted at least 100 years, probably 120 years, and there's been a lot of hard use on this. It's got to be more than 100 years, because there are also some nails and appear to be some kind of cut nails or square head nails. And then of course there's, you know, things like splits and a very rough patch, and it just, you know, it was made to be functional. And then there's also this bottom, which is made out of some kind of wood. The bottom part is separating. I think I'll probably nail this back together or glue it or something like that. I don't want to do too much to this chest, because I really want it to maintain its this beautiful patina. I will absolutely use it to store my tools. I will not move it out of the shop because it weighs a bazillion pounds. I'm not even gonna sand off where you know, this has been, there's some worn spots here. I'm not gonna do anything with that. Just clean it up a little bit, put a little wax on it, tighten up the joints, and it'll probably be good for another 100 years. So this is the till. It goes in here like this, and I've already waxed the slides, so it actually moves pretty good. I've waxed the slides for this bottom drawer as well, and it moves pretty good compared to what it was, but I'll see what I need to do to that one as well. So this is a cool picture of Walt's tool chest and what's going on inside. Have a great day.